If you're looking for a one-and-done laundry solution, check out the all-new GE UltraFast Combo laundry machine. Whether you put it in a closet, garage, or a laundry room and have a 120-volt outlet and a water hookup, you're all set to go. And if you're curious about the drying of this unit, guess what? It uses a fast airflow drying system that uses high-speed, recirculated air that gently dries. This unit is what we call a ventless heat pump dryer. But what exactly is a heat pump dryer? This is a type of dryer that doesn't need an external vent to release hot air and moisture outside the home. Instead, it recycles the air within the unit using the heat pump system, which is highly efficient. Think of it like a looped air system. Imagine drying clothes on a clothesline indoors where the air circulates in a closed room. A heat pump dryer uses similar logic. It heats the air to dry your clothes, then cools it down to remove moisture, and finally reheats it to continue drying. This all happens inside the unit, so no external venting is necessary. With the GE UltraFast Combo unit being ventless, heat pump technology provides 50% more energy efficiency than regular drying. This will also enable you to save money, and who doesn't want that? The unit comes with a lot of great features, which include their smart feature, which is powered by Smart HQ. This is done through the remote control and monitoring system using your home Wi-Fi. You'll be able to receive cycle updates, select detergents, and download special cycles. Not to mention, you'll be making sure that your combo unit always has the latest features and software updates. Since we're on the topic of everything smart, the GE UltraFast Combo unit has an integrated adaptive smart dispense technology, which you'll use to be able to save time and energy. With the smart dispenser, you can store enough detergent and softener for up to 32 loads. Simply scan the barcode on your detergent or softener with the Smart HQ app, and the washer will automatically dispense the perfect amount every single time. Another great feature is the high quality filter. Pet hair and lint don't stand a chance at stopping the dryer. The easy to reach filter is made with a double-sided filter, featuring both mesh lint and a microparticle material. When it comes to front load washing machines, nobody likes the smell on that front door gasket. This can be from a variety of factors such as mold and mildew. This is because of that warm, moist air inside of a washer, and it can lead to that growth if the washer isn't cleaned regularly. This can also cause that musty, damp smell. It can also be from using too much detergent, improper ventilation, or using the wrong cycle, believe it or not. Well, there's good news. GE uses a design across many of their products, including dishwashers and other laundry units, called microban antimicrobial technology. That's going to help to prevent the buildups and odors that we don't want anywhere near our clean clothes. One of my personal favorite parts about this all-in-one unit is the highly intuitive control panel that simplifies laundry. Its vibrant color display makes it easy to read, so you can see all the settings. You can monitor your cycle progress right at a glance. All the cycles are clearly organized and conveniently located, allowing you to quickly select the best option for each load. For example, did you know on a normal wash and dry cycle, the unit can complete a full load in about 2 hours? Talk about efficiency. When it comes to the GE UltraFast Combo washer and dryer laundry machine, you're going to have two models available to you. There's going to be the one on the left, and then there's going to be the one on the right. The one on the left is going to be the least expensive model, and it's going to have the fewest amount of features. It also comes in white. The one on the right comes in carbon graphite, which is similar to that of a gray. The one on the left features a 4.6 cubic foot capacity, and that is for the washing machine, versus the right, which you're going to get a little bit larger in the washer with 4.8 cubic feet. You're going to get 10 total cycles. This includes if you add the washer and dryer cycles together, it's going to give you a total of 10, versus the one on the right will give you 12. The one on the left doesn't have that smart feature, that smart dispense, while the one on the right does. Something that they both have in common, which is really great, is they have a 1300 RPM, so you're going to be getting a good spin, especially when you're pulling water out of those heavy jeans, towels. So they're both equally as strong, and they're both the same dimensions. They're 28 inches wide, 46.7 inches high, and 32 inches in depth. With similar dimensions, regardless of which unit you'd prefer, you can install with confidence knowing it has the perfect depth for closets and other places all around your home. If you need a little bit more height, there are 7-inch risers available to elevate the unit for you. Experience the future of laundry today and be one and done with the GE Profile UltraFast Combo Washer and Dryer.